Hi there, students. A no-brainer. Okay, a no-brainer is a decision or something that is just completely obvious. The decision was a complete no-brainer. It was completely a no-brainer. It's particularly common, I think, with this phrase, a complete no-brainer, something so simple or obvious that you don't need to think about it. You don't need a brain to decide, or you don't need to use your brain. Um, which would you prefer? Stand outside in the pouring rain for 3 hours, or come and sit in my living room and have a drink while you're waiting for your friend? It's a complete no-brainer. You don't want to stand outside in the pouring rain. Maybe unless you hate the person or something, but I don't think so. Um, he was offered a new job with much better conditions and much better pay, so taking it was a no-brainer. It was something that requires a minimum of thought, or not even that minimum of thought. This is an informal phrase, yeah? I think I'd probably give this a 3.5 or 4 in formality. I don't think I would use this in a semi-formal essay or anything formal at all. This in an informal conversation in the pub, yeah? Something's a no-brainer. It's something, particularly a choice or a decision, that is so obvious it requires no mental effort, no thought at all. Yeah. Or maybe something that is really, really simple to understand or simple to do. Yeah. Opening the door is a no-brainer if I give you the key. Yeah. Then you just don't have to think about it. You just know how to do it. It's just totally obvious. Okay. So like I said, this is an informal phrase. It's a slang phrase. So don't use it anywhere more formally. If the new version is half the cost and performs better than the old one, then the decision is a no-brainer. Use the new one. Yeah, it's where a conclusion is obvious, a decision, a solution, a task is so obvious you just don't need to think about it. Don't you wish that English spelling was a no-brainer? Unfortunately, it's not. Let's see. I think the spelling is no with a hyphen brainer, although you could make it 2 words, or you could even make it 1 word. But I think I would go for the hyphen in between. So a no-brainer. Yeah, if you watch 2 or 3 of my videos every day, it's a no-brainer that your English is going to improve. Yeah, you don't have to think about it. It's just going to happen. Okay. But unfortunately, generally, English is more than a no-brainer because it requires dedication, study, practice, and things like that. So, if you can think of something that you consider to be a no-brainer, why don't you put it in the comments section for me? So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A no-brainer.